everyone, today we're going to be doing a yellow eyeshadow tutorial with our Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. Let's get right into it. Alright, so to start out, I'm just going to prime my eyes with a foundation. I'm not going to set it because I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, because you do have to have a primer on there of sorts to make sure that you get good pigmentation, as well as layering on the color a few times. So I'm just going to take this on a concealer brush, spread it on my eye, and then I'm just going to go in and spread it out in a minute. Okay, so once you have that spread out, you're going to go in with a beauty blender and just kind of pat it to make sure it's blended. Okay, now we have them primed. This part always looks so weird because this part is so much lighter. I feel like I just went over my entire face with a much darker foundation, and then I just have a bunch of just bare skin showing right here, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so once that's done, take one of your favorite blending brushes, or one that doesn't get too much pigment onto your eyelid, or just not one like this, because this one's gonna put a lot of pigment on there in one go, and it's not as easy to control how much you're putting on. So to start, I'm going to use this one right here. It doesn't, these don't really have names, but it's a light yellow, almost marigold. This one's more of a marigold right here. This one's more like a sunflower yellow, so we're gonna start with that one. And we're just gonna take it onto our brush and sweep it across our lid a few times. You're gonna have to do this a few times if you're using the same palette, because it takes a few times for these colors, I guess you could call them, or pigments, to build up. So this is 2 run-throughs. We're probably gonna have to do 3 or 4. Okay, so after 4 times going over it, this is about the pigmentation that we're getting, which is about what we want. So if you're using the same palette, use that color and go over about 4 times with a light brush. Or if you're comfortable with not having as much control, then you can take one of these and just go at it until you get the pigmentation you prefer. I'm just gonna go in and do it again on the same side. Well, different side, duh. So now that we've done that, we're going to go in with our Marigold color, which is this one right here, and then just apply it towards the outer corner of our eyelid. Again, we're gonna have to do this several times to build up enough pigmentation. I would probably do 3. So starting at the middle of your lid, start moving out. So this is what it's looking like after 3 run-throughs, so we're just gonna do that on the opposite side. Okay, so once we've done that, we're just gonna go in with this lighter orange right here, apply that towards the outer corner of our eye, and put it into our crease. So we're just gonna start out here and blend it into our crease. We're probably gonna have to do that 3 times. All right, so that's what it's looking like after 3 run-throughs. We're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, so once we've done that, we're gonna go in with our lightest yellow color, which is this one right here, and just pat that back in with a different brush that will get more pigment on. So we're just gonna pat that into place. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Then we're gonna go in with our Marigold color again, get some of that, and then put that back onto where it was originally. What this is doing is making sure that everything is blended in properly while also letting the colors pop. Okay, now we're gonna go in and do our waterline and just under our bottom lash line, and we're gonna do it in the order of orange, marigold, and then a lighter yellow, just to kind of keep that fluidity. So we're just gonna take this here. Then from there, we're gonna take our Marigold color, and then we're just gonna blend that back towards the eyeshadow. Now back in with our Marigold color, we're going to take that back close to our inner corner, and then with our lightest yellow color, we're going to apply it as close to our inner corner as possible, and then in our inner corner. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, so now that we've done our waterline, we're gonna go in with a black pigment and just do some eyeliner. I'm gonna do that off camera. All right, so once you've done your eyeliner, we're just gonna go in with a mascara of your choice, preferably something clump-free, because no one likes to have clumps in their mascara. Also, fun little tip, if you ever wanna get rid of any clumps in your mascara, you can always clean your wand or replace it and add 2 to 3 drops of contact solution into your mascara. Make sure you don't pump the wand when you put it back in, but make sure you twist it and twirl it around in the solution, and maybe once it's closed, you could shake it, and it really helps. All right, there's the finished eyeshadow look. We're just gonna go in with some lip gloss to finish the look completely. Alright everybody, that is the finished look. That is our yellow orangish eyeshadow tutorial with a Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I hope you all enjoyed the video, found it useful, maybe entertaining. There wasn't as much commentary in this video. I'm recording this on the day of and I didn't have as much time to edit, so I'm sorry I wasn't able to fit as much commentary in, but I hope that the video was still enjoyable and that it was helpful. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell preferably, because then you'll actually get notifications when I post, and obviously hit the like button because it makes my heart happy. Alright, bye everybody, have a good day.